Hello. In this video, we'll see how to generate GSTR2 in Strategic ERP. So to generate GSTR2, you need to navigate to statutory module, open GSTR2 form, then select your GSTIN for which GSTIN GSTR2 you want to generate. So you can search by using your project name or your GST number both. Once you'll select GSTIN number, you have to select month for which month GSTR2 you are going to generate. So I have selected April and 2025. So once you will select these details, the system will show you the B2B purchase over here, the B2C purchase in under this tab, the IMPS and IMPG details will appear over here, right? So here you can see in B2B the GST number of your supplier is coming, then voucher number, invoice number of your supplier, invoice date, taxable value, and the other GST related details which are required to check out your GSTR2. Then you will click on the print button. Once you click on the print button, a report called GSTR2 will populate over here and you can generate it in Excel format as well. So once it is downloaded, I'll show you how it looks. So this is your GSTR2 sheet. So here are the complete detail of your supplier and supply. And then the other details. If there is any credit debit note that will come here. If there is any adjustment HSNY summary that will come here. So this is the process how you can generate GSTR2 in Strategic ERP. Thank you.